ni paro mopogore opogore medo mienjo e kinde jochung' e lemo ma gavana e kaunti ma Kakamega kalure gi chenro ma choro nyime yiero e lemo ma kamano ma bende nowinjore ochim chieng' tarik 23 mar dweni. Fernandes Baraza mochung' kod otiko mar ODM e lemo mar gavana e kaunti ma Kakamega owacho ni ng'wech ochomo doho kosingo mar donjo ne duol mar yiero IEBC kuom ketho negi seche kuom bago chenro makamano. Komachielo bende jachung' wadgi mochung' ne duond bura mar ANC Cleopas Malala to orwako chenro mar choro nyime yiero makamano e kaunti no ma bende olandi kod jakom mar IEBC Wafula Chebukati. Malala omedo noikore madhi e debe tarik moro amora ma IEBC biro lando kendo kojiwo johera mage mondo med bedo gi bolruok.
Chebukati, please give us a break. We are warning you, Mr. Chebukati. This is life of the people you are playing with. Hii ni maisha ya watu unachezea. Watu wanalipa ushuru hapa Kakamega County, Mr. Chebukati. Uchumi wa county unaangaliwa na governor. Wakati sisi mnataka muendelee na hizi processes za kupostpone elections, mnataka waform government kama hatujajakuwa governor wetu, we must elect our governor so that if the income of this county start being collected, the governor of this county should be the one to answer. So we are ready to vote. We are asking Chebukati on 23rd. We are going to vote. We are going to the polling station. Let him bring the ballot papers. We are ready to vote. We have no chaos in Kakamega.
People need to go back to work. Why are you bringing confusion in our country? Chebukati, my friend, these shady deals you are doing in your office, we don't want to witness these shady deals in this country. We are sober people, and if you are afraid of the election outcome on 23rd, then tell us, because you guys, we know what you are planning up there.
Yes. Tuko na security ya kutosha. Hakuna national calamity atasema imefanya ameharisha election. Tunamuomba atuaje tuchague viongozi wenye tulikuwa tumepanga kuchagua.